Hello there and welcome to Key Stage 3 Mathematics, and we're looking at multiplying by single digit numbers and double digit numbers as well. It's very important that you know how to actually work out double digit multiplication manually without using a calculator, because going forward in your GCSE exams you will need to do a lot of working out, and to be able to do working out you need to be able to multiply. So it's very, very important that you remember how to do this. Now let's look at some examples first of all, and I'll show you exactly what we need to do. So if you look at this particular example on our screen, which has already been provided to us, we're just going to go through this one by one. So first of all, we're going anti-clockwise. So 4 times 2, 4 times 1, 4 times 6. So 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 6 is 24. And that gives us the first line, which is now done. Now, when you go on to the second section, which is you're using the bottom number 2 to multiply all the 3 numbers at the top, you just stick a 0 or an X underneath 8. And that just shows you that now you're moving on to the next number. So now we start off with 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 6 is 12. Now, when you got these numbers, just make sure the numbers are directly underneath each other, and you just add these numbers up. So 8 add 0 is 8, 4 add 4 is 8, 4 add 2 is 6, 2 add 2 is 4, and 1 add nothing is 1. Let's just do a quick example just to show you how we can actually work this out. So let's try this. So 126 multiplied by 14. So again, you go anti-clockwise, okay, from right to left. So 4 times 6, so we're using the first number. 4 times 6 is 24. So the right number goes here. The left number is carried forward. 4 times 2 is 8. Add this number on the right, which is 10. So 0 goes here. The left number 1 is carried forward. 4 times 1 is 4, and add the 1, which is 5, and cross that out. Now we finish with 4, so cross it out. Put an X or a 0 underneath, and that means now you're moving on to the next number, which is 1. So 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. Just make sure the numbers are directly underneath each other. It just makes it easier to add up at the end. So 4 add 0 is 4, 0 add 6 is 6, 5 add 2 is 7, and 1 add nothing is 1. And that gives us an answer of 1,764. So when you're working out these questions, please do every single question manually. Do not use a calculator, and this will give you really good practice in terms of doing manual multiplication double digit. Even though you know how to do this, it doesn't matter. Please do every single question manually. Thank you so much.